Now you put the cart on the runway so that it is free to move. Okay, and in Spot View you don't have to press clear, you can just press start and then it will start reading, and then you can push this along and take it from there, stop it, you then go to Spot View and stop it in there, and it will show you okay what has happened. If you press this button here, it scales it so we see fit. So there it was stationary, then I gave it a push, then it slowed down, that was due to friction, hit the other side, negative velocity because it's coming back but slowing down again, and there's where I caught it and it stopped. Now what I'm interested in is making sure that it keeps going at a constant speed, so I will need to adjust the height. Now the way to do this is to turn the two wheels at the bottom, okay, until this is coming back, going forward and coming back without decelerating. Now that'll take a little time and a little bit of practice, but I can try it from here and just see that it doesn't speed up, doesn't slow down. It's slowing down a little bit, but the way I will check this, okay, is to go back to Spark View, start it again. I don't need to put a new graph or reset or delete because it's just telling me that run 1 and run 2 are here. So I press start, give it a push and come back. Notice, okay, on this instance it is a little bit flatter from there. It is slowing down on that, so I'm almost happy now that I've got it level. You can spend a little bit of time fine-tuning it until you're happy that it is not accelerating, okay, or decelerating when it goes down. And you'll not get it perfect, but it will be good enough, okay? So that's good enough for me.